Okay, it's hard to believe it's been a month already, but it is Paletteful Pack time. And I'm seeing pastels of some sort. Woody 3-in-1, 6 multi-talented pencils in pastel colors. Oh wow. Multi-talented pencil, coloring pencil, wax crayon, and watercolor all in one. Okay. Water soluble. Strong covering power and intense color, even on the darkest papers and glass. Unbreakable. Thick wooden pencil with extra large lead, ideal for little children's hands. Okay, let's see what we got then. Yeah, they're big, all right. Oh, look, a jumbo pencil sharpener. There's a skizzer here. Wow. Okay. Well, they're big, all right. Pastels for spring, I guess. And a special sharpener. Let's see. They do seem, they have a shine to them on the lead, or how they sharpen. Okay. Okay, so let's see, we got, do they have anything? UK, Canada? Stabilo. I like Stabilo's water-based markers. So we got pink, purple, and blue, and lavender, yellow, and what's that, like teal? I'm not good with colors. Completely, yeah, that's, as someone once said, I have no response to that. I don't know what to think of those. Okay. Let's see here, what else have we got? Oh, Paletteful Packs, creativity in a box. Looks like that Cuphead video game my kids like to play. Okay, what else we got here? What is this? Ooh, a Tombow, like Tombow. Water-based, good. And 15, black. Oh, that's going. So water-based, so if you use watercolor paper with these, usually they're very nice and spreadable with a brush. Oh, what is this? Credit color, merino. It's got a paintbrush on it, so I'm assuming this is water soluble. Tan light. Yep, that's light. Okay. Princeton Summit, number 4 round. Like those. Those are nice. Okay. I have to go get some water here. Another angle brush. I think we just got an angle brush in the oil painting box from last month. 1/2 inch. Okay. One more pencil. Orange. Credit color merino. Yeah, I don't guess this is orange. Can you all see that one? Ooh, wow. This one nice. Huh, okay, I like that. Oh, a spiral bound one for a change. I don't think you can see the whole thing, but yeah, I like the spiral bound ones. Watercolor paper, Strathmore, 12 sheets. 7 by 10, that's a nice size. Not too big, not too small. I like the texture. Oh, that's nice and thick too. What is that? 140 pounds. All right. Well, oh, one more thing. Did I miss anything else? Goodness. Okay, what is this? This looks like one of those, yeah, gelato. Never used those. I've seen a lot of people use them online. I'm assuming these are water soluble as well. Green. We got a wide variety of colors, kind of makes up a little bit for last month. We're a little stingy with the colors. You can even smear that with your, are these smearable? A little bit. Okay. Interesting. Well, I guess we're definitely going to have to, look how dirty my desk is. I have to go with something spring themed with these colors. These are like Easter colors. I like the black pen we got in there too. Thank you, Paletteful Packs, for having black in there this time. I can see getting away with no white in this one because you can kind of dilute things and move them around with water. Oh, don't forget this. Got everything in there. That's a good box this month. This is going to be interesting. I'm a little, don't know about sharpening those. They're, wow. Okay. Yeah, still don't know what to think about that. Well, I think I'll go get some water. Dry them out. Okay, so I've been playing around with the supplies. I can't say I'm overly impressed. Let me turn this around so you can see. How do I do that? Gosh, can I do that while I'm filming? I don't know. You can tell how good I am at this. Okay, well, Okay, so now it's turned around. I was starting to do this tulip flower. I used the credit color and these yellow and pink. And I noticed that when I tried to put the detail on my flower with the Tombow, sorry for the shaky here because I'm actually holding this, that, you know, when you use the brush, it will go on quite easily, I might add, maybe a little too easily, anywhere that you put it. And you can dilute it with water, but it's so, I mean, the Tombow is so strong. You would have to be really careful doing your shading. Actually, I kind of like that. So, you know, happy accidents. You like what you're doing to try to show what you didn't like. But that's, you know, okay. So then there's the bullet nib is actually the problem, which is what I wanted to put in like lining with, and it does not, like I did down here, it does, well, get it going again. I think I'm ruining it trying to do this. Okay. Okay, so that doesn't want to go on top of the, okay, yeah, now it does it. But it really doesn't want to go on top of the, whatever these are called. What are these called again? Stabilo Woody 3-in-1. I'm not going to go around calling them Woodies. I'm sorry. These crayon things. I think I might try something else. And, you know, the thing with the Stabilo is, you know, they're water-based as well. So hold on, let me turn this around again. Okay, so the Stabilo markers are water-based as well. So if I tried to put down the line art first, it's going to do like I showed you just a minute ago, and it's going to flow all over the place because it does. The Stabilo, I mean the Tombow, flows so much better than these crayon things. So I'm kind of at a loss. And also, Paletteful Packs really, today is what? May 5th? Yesterday was May the 4th be with you, and you don't have the content list and prompts up on the website yet. Is it just me? Am I the only one not finding it? I just logged in. I'll refresh. It's still April, Williamsburg oil paint. So it's the 5th. Your boxes mail out, as far as I can tell, on the 1st. I know for a fact that you can schedule things to go onto your website anytime you want. That's what I do for a living. So why? What excuse have you? I want to hear it, please. Why can't, by the almost a week in, can I not know what these are or what to do with them or what even the prompts are? I was trying to look at Pixabay to get some inspiration for spring colors, and I don't know. I've done so many flowers. I just don't want to do another flower. I guess. I don't know. But it would be nice to have the prompts. It is a nice jumping off point. So I'm going to get off of here and try to find something else that I want to make that might turn out a little better than my orangish tulip here, and see what I can come up with, and I'll let you know how it goes. Okay, so I finally did something. I was reading the back of the box. That looks a lot like it's for children's art, I have to say. And it does say that you can use it on the darkest papers in glass. And that made me think, I wonder how it would show up on some of the black art paper that I have. It's also Strathmore. It's, what is it, 60 pounds. So it'll take a tiny bit of water. I didn't end up using a whole lot of water, and so this is what I came up with. I just freehanded a little teapot and some very skinny lemons. So I started out experimenting. It looked like, I was like, wow, this looks so much better than on that white watercolor paper. I don't know why they didn't give us black paper or black watercolor paper. That would have been pretty cool. I've been wanting some of that. So I just freehanded a little teapot, and I think it turned out pretty good. I think I like it a lot better on here, because then also I could use the Tombow marker for the shading. But it reminds me an awful lot of oil pastels, which we've gotten in the past, and I've got a whole set of those as well, and I've done those quite a bit. And if I was going to do something along this line, I'd probably use the oil pastels, just because there's more variety of color for what I have. So this box is so-so. After the oil painting box, they have not yet redeemed themselves, especially not having the prompts and the information about the products up yet. And it's almost a week into the month of May. They still have April up there. So Paletteful Packs, if you're listening, I do website work, and I can get your website stuff up on time. If you need me, just send me a message. I'd be more than happy to get that stuff out there on time. We can work something out, maybe a discount. Okay? So anyway, I hope you all enjoyed this box. Let me know what you thought of it and what you made with it. And I look forward to hearing from you guys. If you like this video, don't forget to like and subscribe. And now I'm going to let you go and watch Making the Teapot. Bye.